What did you do yesterday? What did you do yesterday? I brushed my teeth. What did you do yesterday? I ate breakfast. What did you do yesterday? I went to school. What did you do yesterday? I ate lunch. What did you do yesterday? I read a book. What did you do yesterday? I walked the dog. What did you do yesterday? I drank some water. What did you do yesterday? I rode my bike. What did you do yesterday? I played soccer. What did you do yesterday? I had a bath. What did you do yesterday? I ate dinner. What did you do yesterday? I went to sleep.